Hello everyone, this is Kasturi working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, SNS College of Engineering. So in this video lecture we are going to see about the different types of design. As a start, first we are going to discuss about the industrial design. So industrial design is the professional practice of designing the products that are manufactured through industrial process. It involves creating and developing the aesthetics, functionality, usability and ergonomics of a product, ensuring that it meets both consumer needs and manufacturing capabilities. Industrial design plays a crucial role in developing products that are not only visually appealing but also cost effective, practical and sustainable one. So the key elements of industrial design are, first one is the aesthetics and form. So form refers to the overall shape, structure and visual appeal of a product. Aesthetics in industrial design ensures that products are pleasing to the eye, aligning with consumer taste and cultural trends. A good industrial design is not just about looking good but also being easy to use, reliable and performing its tasks efficiently. Ergonomics is nothing but it focuses on creating the products that are comfortable and safe for the user to interact with. So this involves designing products that fit the human body's natural movements and reducing the risk of discomfort or injury. Usability is nothing but it focuses on making the products easy to operate and intuitive. A well-designed product should require minimal explanation or effort for the user to understand and use efficiently. Sustainability is an increasingly important factor in industrial design. So designers must consider the environmental impact of materials, energy usage and waste throughout the life cycle of the product. Manufacturability is in industrial design considers the practical aspects of manufacturing. Products must be designed with production capabilities in mind to ensure that they can be made efficiently and cost effectively using available technologies and materials. Innovation. So industrial designs are often tasked with bringing innovative ideas for life. So whether through new materials, advanced manufacturing techniques or creative problem solving, innovation is at the heart of industrial design. So the next one is the industrial design process. So industrial design process typically follows a series of stages from initial concept development to the final product manufacturing. So first stage is the research and discovery. So in this stage, understanding the target market, user needs, competitive products and the broader industry trends. So this stage may include market research, consumer interviews and studying the competitor products to gain the insights. Concept generation phase. It involves brainstorming, sketching and ideating different concepts for the product. Multiple design alternatives are considered at this stage with a focus on finding the best balance of form, function and usability. Prototyping and testing. Once a concept is chosen, a prototype is created to test the design in real world conditions. Prototypes can be physical models for digital simulations. Refinement. So based on testing and feedback, the design is refined. This may involve adjustments to the aesthetics, usability, ergonomics or manufacturing process to make the product better. Final design and production. So the final design is developed and optimized for production. Materials are selected, manufacturing process are determined and assembly methods are finalized. So detailed specifications are created for the production phase and a manufacturing prototype is often produced to confirm the final design works in the practice. So the next one is the methods and techniques in industrial design. So several methodologies and techniques are used to guide the industrial design work. Some of the most common ones include sketching and drawing. So sketching is a key tool in industrial design, helping designers quickly visualize and explore concepts. It is used in the early stages of the design process to iterate and refine the ideas. 3D modeling and CAD software. Computer aided design is widely used in industrial design for creating precise digital models of products. Prototyping and rapid prototyping. Prototypes are physical representations of design concepts used to test the ideas and usability. Rapid prototyping involves using techniques like 3D printing and CNC machining to quickly produce models, which speeds up the testing and refinement phase. Human-centered design. So human-centered design focuses on understanding the user needs, desires and limitations of the end users. So this approach ensures that The final product is tailored to the people who will use it. User testing and feedback loops are integral to this process. Ergonomics and human factors. Ergonomic principles are employed to design products that are comfortable and reduce the risk of injury. Tools like anthropometric data and usability studies are used to ensure the design accommodates a wide range of users. Sustainability practices. So designers consider the life cycle of products from sourcing materials to manufacturing, use and eventual disposal or recycling. Cradle to cradle design and eco design principles are increasingly applied to minimize the environmental impact. Simulation and testing tools. Industrial designers use simulation tool to test how products will perform under various conditions like stress test, thermal simulations and aerodynamic testing. So this allows for virtual validation of the design, reducing the need for extensive physical testing. Applications of industrial design. So industrial design is applied in a wide range of industries from consumer electronics to automotive and furniture design. Some examples include consumer electronics, smartphones, laptops, smartwatches and home appliances all rely on industrial design for aesthetics, usability and ergonomics. For instance, Apple's iPhone is renowned for its sleek design, intuitive user interface and ergonomic features. Automotive design. So industrial design is crucial in the automobile industry where designers balance form, function, aerodynamics and safety. Companies like Tesla, BMW and Ferrari incorporate industrial design principles to create vehicles that are both aesthetically appealing and also high performing. Furniture and home products. Furniture design and home products are a significant area where industrial design is applied. Designers create everything from chairs and tables to lighting system and appliances. Healthcare and medical devices. So industrial design is integral to the development of medical devices such as prosthetics, hospital beds and surgical tools. So these products require careful attention to ergonomics, usability and safety to ensure effectiveness and comfort for both patients and medical professionals. So the challenges now we are facing in industrial design, first one is the balance in the aesthetics with the functionality. So designers must create products that look good but also meet the functional needs of users. Cost and manufacturability. Industrial design must be feasible to manufacture within the budget constraints, requiring careful selection of materials and manufacturing processes. Sustainability. Designers face increasing pressure to create products that are environmentally friendly using sustainable materials and reducing the waste. Rapid technological advancements. The fast pace of technological change demands constant innovation in design to stay competitive. So in a conclusion, industrial design is a multidisciplinary field that integrates creativity, engineering, ergonomics and market understanding to create a products that are functional and aesthetically pleasing one. Thank you for the patient listening.